The Tagetes plant, commonly known as marigold, is a botanical wonder that has captivated gardeners, herbalists, and researchers for centuries. With its vibrant blooms, distinct fragrance, and a range of practical uses, Tagetes has earned a cherished place in gardens and cultures. This versatile plant is not only appreciated for its aesthetic appeal but also for its various ecological and medicinal benefits. The Tagetes plant belongs to the Asteraceae family, commonly referred to as the aster or daisy family. Within this family, it is categorized under the genus Tagetes, which encompasses a diverse group of species. The Tagetes plant has a rich history, deeply rooted in indigenous cultures native to the Americas. Tagetes species were cultivated and revered by various indigenous tribes. Long before the arrival of Europeans, Tagetes made its way to Europe in the 16th century, when Spanish and Portuguese explorers brought back plant specimens from their voyages to the New World. European gardeners were enthralled by the vibrant marigold blooms, and their cultivation quickly spread throughout the continent. Over time, marigolds have become a symbol of various cultural traditions around the world. In Mexico, it's an essential part of the Day of the Dead celebration, where it is used to create elaborate altars and offerings to honor deceased loved ones. In India, marigolds are widely used in religious ceremonies and weddings, signifying purity and prosperity. One of the primary reasons for the enduring popularity of Tagetes in gardens is its striking aesthetic appeal. The bright and cheerful blooms, available in a wide spectrum of colors, instantly elevate the visual appeal of any garden or landscape. Whether used as border plants, in flower beds, or in container gardens, marigolds add a burst of color and charm. Its pungent fragrance and natural insect-repelling properties make it a valuable addition to vegetable gardens. Planting marigolds alongside vegetables like tomatoes and peppers can help deter pests, such as aphids and nematodes, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Tagetes is a relatively easy tuber plant that thrives in well-draining soil with good sunlight exposure. They prefer full sun but can tolerate partial shade. The soil should be moderately fertile and not overly wet. As marigolds are susceptible to root rot in waterlogged conditions, marigolds can be propagated from seeds, cuttings, or transplants. Seeds are the most common method and can be sown directly in the garden after the last frost, or started indoors a few weeks earlier. Tagetes are drought-tolerant once established, but benefit from regular watering, especially during dry spells. Deadheading, or the removal of spent blooms, encourages continuous flowering. Pruning back leggy growth can help maintain a compact and bushy appearance. Marigolds are generally resistant to many pests and diseases, thanks to their natural compounds that deter insects and nematodes. Tagetes flowers are a favorite among pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and hoverflies. The nectar-rich blooms provide essential food sources for these beneficial insects, making marigolds an excellent choice for pollinator-friendly gardens. Beyond their role in supporting pollinators, marigolds also offer ecological benefits below the soil's surface. Certain Tagetes species release compounds that suppress harmful soil-borne nematodes, making them valuable in crop rotation strategies for farmers. Tagetes can help control weeds through their dense growth and the allelopathic chemicals they release into the soil. Planting marigolds as ground cover can reduce competition from weeds and promote healthier garden ecosystems.